So how does programmable foam work? Programmable foam is a multi-patented technology that allows to control the volumetric density of a block of foam. This is done by regulating in a very smart way the speed at which we are printing to make sure that we control the 3D structure and the thickness of the walls of the 3D structure. So we are able to control the hardness based on this from the software. So it's extremely powerful because then in the software, let me show you, you are able to control different hardnesses by applying different modifier area. So you can choose the hardness that you want in specific zone. And then on top of that, we use gradient transitions. So we are able to go from a very soft area to a very hard area in a gradient way, which is key for pressure relief application. So one of the challenges we had when creating programmable foam was to make sure that it could be printed fast at high quality. So we've worked a lot into optimizing the print conditions and managed to make it work with high-speed printers. We had to actually modify a lot of the elements and also a lot of the pathfinding and ways to print. But we succeeded, and now we are able to 3D print programmable foam in a very reasonable time. So in order to ensure your freedom to operate, we have actually patented a lot of different methods around programmable foam in about 10 different countries. So we have some patent granted, some are pending, but this is making sure that when you use this technology, then you are free to operate safely.